In the cryptocurrency space, yield farming has become very popular over the last year. For those of you that don't know, yield farming is a way for you to make more cryptocurrency with the crypto that you already have by essentially locking it into a farm or a pool for a certain period of time, and you will get paid back a percentage of it. It's like dividends in the stock market, except you get paid daily in most scenarios rather than quarterly. There's plenty of examples of pools and farms that you can use, the main one being Pancake Swap, but we also got Caramel Swap, Ape Swap, but today we're gonna focus on OliveCash, which is the one pool and farm I have invested into, and I will show you the returns that I have made over the last couple of days. Hello and welcome guys, it's Millennial Investor here, and in today's video we're gonna focus on OliveCash. I've already made a video about it, telling you everything that you need to know about the website, but today I'm gonna give you a little bit of an update about the farms and the pools and the kind of profit I have made through locking my olive. Right here on the main page you can see that I have made almost 80 oil through farming and staking, but we'll get to that in a second. When it comes to the stats of olive, it is still a low market cap coin, standing at 100,000 total market cap, so it's still a great opportunity with only 3 million olive in supply. The price, we will get to that in a second, but it has been bouncing between 26 and 30 cents over the last couple of days. So I have deposited my BNB into olive on July 6th, so it now has been 8 days, and we will see how the pool and the farm has done for me. So starting off with the pool, I have put about $500 into automatic olive staking, which restakes everything that you have made into your main account. Basically gives you a compound interest, right? So every single day, everything that you have farmed, it goes into your staked olive account and it compounds over time. The value has depreciated about $20, so it's not that big. It has been up 50, down 20, doesn't matter that much as I plan to keep it for a while, but we have made about 36 olive in 8 days, which is not bad, about $10. So if we calculate that, that works out to be about 2%, I believe, of what I have staked. So let's move on to the farm, and we can see that from the farm I have made much more. It's about 80 olive, but the farm does come with some added risks, as it is not as stable and you have to take some cautions, but the farm did yield me about $21, which works out to be 7% of what I have staked in the farm, because I have only staked $300, right? The APRs are very dynamic. As you can see, there's no point of looking at them for the longer term, because they can change based on the current market conditions. So as you can see, $21, about 7%, much more than in the pool itself. And if we go ahead, we can actually harvest that for a small gas fee that will go into our MetaMask wallet, and then we can add it onto the pool, which will give us the benefit of the compounding interest. $21, 80 olives in about 8 days, not bad for $300 staked, right? I've only put a small amount, and there's obviously people putting way more in that take advantage of those high significant profits. But I just wanted to test out what's going on with OliveCash, and that's why I've put a small position in there. So if we go ahead and press the harvest button, we can see that it opens up a MetaMask transaction, and for a small gas fee we can actually harvest it, and we will go straight to our MetaMask wallet, and then we can go into the pool, as I have mentioned, and staked everything we have harvested. So 79 olives from the staking farm, put that into the pool, increase the amount we have in the pool, and that will be compounding every single day as well, because it has the auto compound system already built in. So about $22, 84 olives. Again, you have to pay a small gas fee, couple of cents on the BSC network, and that will go through within seconds. And as you can see, up to 1930 olive in the staking account, which works out to be about $510 at the current price. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just to recap, 2% profit made in the pool, 7% profit made in the farm, and I just wanted to show you guys what kind of profits are available on OliveCash if you do decide to put some money into the pools or the farms. Obviously, I've only checked out one pool and one farm. You can go and look into the others, the APRs that they have, but I just wanted to give you a quick view of how it actually works and how easy it is for you to stake your money. The website looks great, the user interface very easy to navigate and move money between the farms and pools and your wallet, so that's all great. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down in the description what kind of websites you want me to check out first, and any ideas for future videos, and I will see you in the next one.